snow accumulations between 2 and 3 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Stark and Knox counties. When? From 10 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Monday. The following impacts are expected. Plan on slippery road conditions. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility to a quarter mile or less at times. The hazardous conditions will likely impact the Monday morning commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for Illinois can be obtained on the internet at www.gettingaroundillinois.com.